Hello guys, this is your English teacher Shivam Chobe. I hope you guys find there and take care all of you for this spread. And right now we are going to study about our next thing. So yesterday we will study about this from here. After that we'll start to read this chapter from here. He looked so forlorn and wretched that Hugh could not help pitying him. Means who looked? The beggar looked very honorably and very wretched means very hopefully. Like that, wretched means hopefully. Hope could not help pitying him means hope could not help him with money and something else. He felt in his pocket to see what money he had, and he tried to look in his pocket how much money he had. So all Hawk could find was a sovereign and some copper. There is some copper and some sovereign means wretched clothes like that. So he found there this type of things. After that, poor old fellow, he thought to himself, he need to more than I do. He walked across the studio and slipped the sovereign into the beggar's hand. Means he thought that very old fellow he is. So he walking across means here and walking here and there in studio and slipped the sovereign into the beggar's hand and give it to back in beggar's hand. And after that the old man stared. That faint smile flickered across his withered lips. Thank you, sir, he said. Thank you. Means when he give it to back to that beggar told that thank you, sir. After that, then Trevor arrived and Hogg left the studio blushing a little at what he had done. Means then Trevor is a man who arrived there, and after that, Hogg left the studio at that time and blushing a little what he had done. And the narrator think that what he had done, he spent the day with Laura, got a little scolding for his generosity and had to walk home. Means he wants to spend time with Laura. Laura is a girl, and he had generosity and had walk home. He had go back to home. That night, he strolled into the Palette Club and about 11 o'clock and found Trevor sitting by himself smoking and drinking. In a club that name is Palette Club, he found there Trevor who is sitting at the 11 o'clock time. He found there who is sitting and smoking and drinking. That is Trevor. After that, well, Alan, did you get the painting finished all right? He asked that, did you get painting finished all right? He asked as he lit his cigarette. Means he had to lit means he stopped that cigarette smoking and asked him, finished, finished and framed, my boy, answered Trevor. Trevor answered that yes, that will be completed with finished and fresh. After that, framed. Already framed, that also framed means covered. By the way, the old model seems to taken an interest in you. I had tell him about you, who you are, where you live, what your income is, and what your future will be. Means that that person said that Old model seems to have taken in an interest in you. Then old model taken an interest in that man, and also the person wants to say, I will give all detail of you to him. After that, what happened? My dear Alan, cried Hogg. Hogg cried, my dear Alan, I shall probably find him waiting for me when I go home. But, of course, you are only joking. Poor old fellow. Means, I am waiting for a long time for him, but you are joking that you tell him about my all address and many things, all details. Poor old fellow. I wish I could do not something for him, and wish means hope that I cannot do anything for him. I think it is dreadful that anyone should be poor, that anyone should be poor in the world, have got heaps and clothes at home. Do you think he would care for any of them? His rags were falling to beats. Means rags means he has something that already falling in beats. Beats means dusts and many things. After that, but he looks splendid, sorry. But he looks splendid in them, said Trevor. But he looks very uh, kindly in a kindly situation. Trevor said that, and I wouldn't paint him in frock coat, but anything. I will tell him about your offer. But he said, the Trevor said that I cannot paint him in frog size. So also, anyway, that I can tell him about your offer. Trevor then asked Hogg about Laura. He told him that the old model was quite interested in her too. Means he asked about the Laura, and he told him that he is also quite interested in you. Also after that, you don't mean to say you talked to him about her as well, said Hogg. Hogg means you don't think that I am talking about her, and certainly I did. He knows all about the unreasonable colonel. Already said to you that colonel is a post and Laura is a daughter of that colonel. The lovely Laura, and the this is the sign of euro. So, yen, sorry, yen. This is the sign of yen, 10,000 yen. And after that, he says that to find the Laura, I have to earn 10,000 money for her. You told that old beggar all about my private affairs, cried Hogg, looking very red and angry. Means uh, you may then Hogg said that you think that beggar is everything for me, that like affairs and everything. So he cried, and I am feel angry on him. After that, my dear boy, said Trevor. Trevor said, smiling with a smile, that old beggar, as you call him, is one of them richest men in Europe. He could buy all of London tomorrow. Means that person from whom you talking about, he is the richest man of this Europe, and he can buy the London tomorrow. He has more money to buy he can buy the London. What on earth do you mean? Asked Hogg. What do you mean with this? What I mean, said Trevor, is that old man you saw today in the studio, the Baron Hausberg. He is a great friend of mine, buys all my paintings, and gave me a commission a month ago to paint him as a beggar. And I must say, he made a splendid model in my rags and old suit I got in Spain. Means that richest person coming in that studio and he wants to make his picture as a beggar, and but that is not the beggar, that is the richest man of the Europe. Baron Hosberg, the name of that man cried. Hog cried that is Baron Hosberg. Good heavens, I gave him a sovereign. That's okay, I gave him a sovereign. Okay, I think you should have told me, Alan, said Hogg, and not let me make such a fool of myself. Understand? I think you must know that what it happened, and I hope that you cannot make me fool and you cannot think about me as a fool because of I know everything. So for today, guys, this is enough, and for this we have to wait for next video. In next video, I will tell you about this all. So clearly understand about this all. Thank you and take care.